Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Dipendra Kumar Rai and I'm presently working as additional professor and heading the department of pulmonary medicine at AIIMS Patna. As you all know that the whole world, humanity threatened by this novel coronavirus known as COVID-19, and we all are struggling to contain these infections. Why it is called Nobel? Because it is just a muted version of older coronavirus, which caused severe acute respiratory syndrome in 2002, that is known as SARS, and in 2012 and 13 it caused Middle East respiratory syndrome. How this COVID-19 patient clinically presented? So the presentation is just similar to the other respiratory viral infections. So patients may having a cough, fevers, running nose, and breathlessness. But it has been found that almost half of the patients may not having a fever. And the study also shows that almost 80% of this COVID-19 infected patients having a very mild symptoms. They can having a just cough and cold symptoms, and it would subsided by their own. There is no need to take any specific medicine for that. What is need in that situation is to all such patients having a mild symptom, they should be just home quarantine for 14 days, so that they will not transmit the infections from one persons to others. And because we don't have any drugs to treat this, and also we don't have any vaccines for the prevention of disease, so we left with the option that can contain the infection of COVID-19 is to prevention of transmissions. Transmission of this virus can occur from human to human through respiratory droplets, which is generated while coughing and sneezing, and also some respiratory droplets generated also during the breathing. And the second way by which the infection can transmitted is to fomite transmission. It means that whenever the infected person touches any surfaces, that surfaces having a virus for hours to day, and if any persons, healthy persons, touches that surface and again then touches their face, mouth, eye, nose, then the virus can be transmitted. So there are few simple measures we need to take to just avoid contracting with these infections, is to just follow a few basic hygiene principles, that we should do a frequent hand washing, and you can do the hand washing by simple water and soap, or you can also use especially there are so many hand sanitizer, alcohol based sanitizer available, but this sanitizer should contain at least 60% of alcohol. It has been found that this proportion of alcohol which is effective in killing of this virus. So you can also use this hand sanitizer, especially if your hands are clean, then there is no need to clean with soap and water. You can just use this hand sanitizers. As far as mask is concerned, the healthy individual generally they don't need to wear the mask, especially if at homes. But whenever if you go to out of the homes, it is better to use this mask. And in that situations, just a 3-layer mask is sufficient. There is no need to use this higher costly mask, that is N95, which is important for healthcare provider. So you can just use this 3-layer surgical mask. And all the infected patients also can use this 3-layer mask, or all the person having this upper respiratory symptom, cough and cold symptoms and fever, they should also wear the mask, so that they should not transmit the infections to others. And they should also use this especially they should cover this mouth and nose while coughing and sneezing, so that the infection is not being transmitted to others. These are the measures I think you can take to prevent the transmission infections. There are few query regarding the chloroquine, hydrochloroquine drugs. There are so many my friends and family members or relative ask regarding this molecule whether I should take or not. There is a debatable roles of these molecules. What is the ICI recommendation? ICMR recommendation is that especially it can be used by healthcare provider or those who are in close contact with this infected patients. But those who are healthy individuals, in that group of patients, they generally don't require this group of drugs. So there should not be panic about these drugs. And I think that much of information, and hope I think it is useful. So thank you very much.